morning, student. Today we are going to start our GK quiz number 8. First one is literature. With whom are these characters associated? Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table, Elves and the Shoemaker, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Robin Hood and his Merry Men. Now next, mathematics and science. The number 1999 is followed by number 2000. The expanded form of the number 1,80,043 is 1,80,043. The point which indicates 0 on the number lie in the origin. Widely accepted measures are called standard units of measurement. A millimeter is 1000 parts of meter. Fill in the blanks with the physical quantity that is measured in which. A bus was late by 40 minutes. Time. The drink was not chilled well. Temperature. The milk bottle was not filled to the neck. Volume. And Vinita got the gold medal for the race. Distance. Now see, choose the right word to match the sentence. First, A and B. First, place where ships are repaired, it is the dry docks. A form of salutations, it is the Jai Hind. Literature composed in forest, Aryankas. Then Sapta Sindhu, it is the region of 7 rivers. And products of human arts and workmanship, it is the artifacts. Now generals, identify the pictures below and place their names against the cities and which they are associated. Now in this picture, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Nehru and Gautam Buddha. Now see, Porbandar, it is the birthplace of Gandhiji. Shantiniketan, it is related to Rabindranath Tagore. Shantivan, it is related to Jawaharlal Nehru. Bardoli, it is Vallabhbhai Patel, and Lumbini, it is a Buddha. Now we'll see the quiz number 9. Complete the following phrases. Complete the following phrases. Odds and ends, bytes and pieces, off and on, now and then, here and there. Now mathematics and science. Explain the following. Why is distilled water used in car batteries? Because of purified water. Why has wheat to be sifted before being ground into flour to separate the stones and chaff? Next, how do we get salt from seawater? Evaporation of the sea water. Why have we to keep placing naphthalene balls in the cupboard from time to time instead of depending on the one originally placed? Due to sublimation that they turn into gases and spread. Next, why have copper bottom vessels become popular? Copper is the good conductor of the heat. That's why. Now see, use the opposite concept for the following without changing the numbers. The temperature fell by 8 degrees Celsius today. The temperature rose by 8 degrees Celsius today. Then this place is 150 meters below the sea level. The place is 150 meters above to the sea level. Rita walked 2 kilometers east. Rita walks 2 kilometers west. These words you have to use the opposite. Now social study. Associate the names with the continents. Merino ships is related to the Australia. World biggest film industry, it is in North America. Bushman, it is in Africa. Pamir Plateau, it is in Asia, and Fruit Belt, it is in Europe. Now answer the following questions. First, the largest denomination note issue in India, it is 1000 rupees note. Now the largest denomination coin available in India, it is 5 rupees coin. The name of the script common to Hindi, Marathi and Gujarati is Devanagari. What is meant by the statement made by the scientist that an UFO was seen? Unified flying object was seen. The metal that is used in the olive, brass and bronze, it is in copper. Now we will see the quiz number 10. First, literature. Complete the following similes with the help of picture clues. As helpless as baby. As helpless as baby. As proud as peacock. As red as cherry. As blind as bat. And as crafty as fox. Mathematics and science. Identify the illustrated apparatus used by the laboratories. This picture. All these instruments are used in laboratory. First is a tripod stand. This is a wire gauge. This is a graduated jar, and this is a clamp stand. Now answer the following. How many squares are there in the following figures? When you observe this figure, here 14 squares are there. How many triangles are there in the following figure? In this figure, there are 8 triangles are there. Just you find. Now find the missing numbers. When you find out the why it is in 6, 7 and 5, 12, it became 8 and 8, 16. That's why 6 and 6 becomes 12. Now social studies. Fill in the blanks. The local animal and plant life of the place are referred to as a flora and fauna of that place. Then afforestation is a process where trees are planted. The Koyna Dam is built across the river Krishna. Buddhism originated in India. India was under the British rule before 15th August 1947. Now general science, take the right choice. Behind every fable there is a moral to be learnt. The capital of Greece is Athens. According to Hindu mythology, Lakshmi is worshipped as a goddess of wealth. According to the Bible, Solomon was famous for this wisdom. The biggest mosque in India, the Jama Masjid, was built by Akbar. So dear students, you have to write down these 3 cues in your notebook.